Hello my dear student. So already all of you completed the first day. Okay. So first day of our Vedic math class that already you completed, and I'm very happy all of you are completed and put in the group. Okay. So please follow these things. Okay. Once you complete the day, okay, so in group you have to mark that we have done. At the same time you put comment also. Okay, in comment section you have to write sir I done with day. Okay, so like that, then first class what we learn addition, but not like the simple method, we learn in dot method. Okay, every day we have practiced few questions on addition also, and we learn dot method later also. Now also we complete the sixth table. Okay, and all of you know sixth table very well. Okay, so if I ask 6 5 ja, tell me 6 5 ja, first 6 5 ja, good. Now 6 4 ja, yes. So we have to practice like that. Okay, 6 5 ja 30, 6 4 ja 24, like that. Okay, not be going sequence. So what is the today table? Today table is 7 table. What is the today table? 7 table. You have to complete this one and practice. Okay, and now today topic is what? Today we are going to learn the subtraction. Okay, but not like the school method. What we learn in the school, we are not going to learn like that. Today we are going to learn the special method. What is the special method, sir? Dot method. Addition we learn by dot method. Now it's time to learn subtractions by same method, dot method. But before learning this, we have to learn a new concept, and that is very funny concept. Yes. Okay, what is the concept, sir? Number friends. Okay, so you all have the friends. Okay, so now I think Soria have the more friends, na? Soria, please put in comment how many friends you have. Okay, so today we are going to learn about the number friends. So 1, who is the friend of 1? 9. Who is the friend of 2? 8. Who is the friend of 3? 7. Who is the friend of 4? 6. And 5 have only one friend. Okay, but I think any one of you have the one friends. Yeah, I think everyone have the more than 5-10 friends. Okay, but here 5 have no friend. 5 have friend only. Now sir, why these are called the friends number, sir? See, when we are adding 1 plus 9, what you get? 10. 2 plus 8, what you will get? 10. 3 plus 7, again 10. 4 plus 6, again 10. And 5 plus 5, again 10. So it means what? After adding, when we get 10, so that number is known as what? Friends number. So please learn. Friendship is very important. Okay. So we have to learn 1 friend 9, 2 friend 8, 3 friend 7, 4 friend 6, and 5 friend 5. Okay. So now we learn about the number friends. Okay. So we practice one more times. So who is the friend of 1? 9. Please remember that is very important. Okay. In upcoming classes we have to use this one. Now who is the friend of 2? 8. Who is the friend of 3? 7. Who is the friend of 4? 6. Who is the friend of 5? 10. So why these are the friends? So because after adding we are getting the 10. Very good. Okay. And this is the permanent friend. It's not going to change. Okay. So all are good friend, not only friend, permanent friend. So now we are learning how to do subtractions. Okay. So one method already we learned. We have to 2 minus 4. So we have to take carry and all these things. And I know many of students are facing problem in this. Okay, I also face many problem. So right now what we are going to do, learn a dot method. So now first we check 2 minus 4. Is this possible to subtract 4 from 2? No. Yes. So it is not possible to subtract. So here no need to. So 2 minus 4, that is not possible. So we have to check friend of 4. So what is the friend of 4? That is 6. So here we have to add 2 plus 6. Okay. So here what we are doing right now, we are writing. But when we are doing our questions, no need to write this one. So 2 plus 6. So here we write 8. And here we are doing friends. So we have to put here 1 dot. So now this behave like a 4, and the value of dot is what? 1. So 4 plus 1, 5. Now 7 minus 5, what we get? So we get 2. So our answer is what? 28. Okay. Now please once more. So here what we are checking, sir? 2 minus 4, that is not possible. So we have to check who is the friend of 4. So here friend of 4 is what? 6. So we have to add here 2 plus 6. So 2 plus 6 what we get? Yes, tell me every student. 2 plus 6 is 8. So here we write 8. And now we did friendship. So here what we have to do? We take one dot here. So now here 4 and one dot. 4 plus 1 it make the 5. Now 7 minus 5, it's very easy. That is possible na? 7 minus 5, so that is 2. Now we check with another questions. Again here 5 minus 4, 5 minus 9. Is this possible? No sir, this is not possible. So what we will do? We have to find the friend of 9. Where is the friend of 9? Who is the friend of 9? 1. Who is the friend of 9? Correct, 1. So here we have to add 1. So 5 plus 1, that is 6. Right now we are writing like this. When we are doing the questions, no need to do like this. We can write directly. Okay, so now we did here friendship. So here we have to put one dot. So now it become 1 and 1 dot. So 1 plus 1, 2. Now 7 minus 2, what we get? 7 minus 2, 5. Okay, so see, we are not taking any carry na. What we are doing? By using the dot method, we are using very simple form. Now last question, you guys help me. 4 minus 8. Tell me, 4 minus 8 is possible? 4 minus 8, that is not possible. So we have to find the friend of 8. So who is the friend of 8? Just tell me, friend of 8 is what? 2. So here we have to add 4 plus 2. Just tell me, 4 plus 2. Yes, correct. 4 plus 2, that is 6. And already we know when we do friendship, so here we have to keep one dot. Now 1 here and 1 dot here. So 1 plus 1, 2. And 2 minus 2, we get 0. Okay. So when we subtract the same number, we get answer 0. So this is the all answer in front of you. So it is very easy method. Once we practice, then we will learn more. So now we are going to practice the 3-digit number. Okay. So now we are going to learn some big number. Before that we are learning the 2-digit. Now here 4-digit, here 3-digit. So we practice like that. Okay. So first we practice the 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we practice this one. Okay. So now you guys tell me 2 minus 7. Yeah. So it is possible to subtract 2 minus 7? Yeah. Definitely no sir, because 2 is a smaller number and 7 is greater number. So this is not possible. So what we have to do? Our basic step, we have to find the friend of 7. Now already hope we remember who is the friend of 7? 3 only. So here we have to add 3. But this time we are not going to write add 3. We just keep in mind. We have to practice and we have to keep in mind. Now 3 plus 2. 3 plus 2? Yes, correct. 3 plus 2, that is 5. Very good. Now we did friendship here. So here what we have to do? We keep here one dot. Now 4 and 1 dot. So this together make 5. Now tell me 2 minus 5. Is this possible? Yes. Definitely answer is no. So it is not possible. So now we have to find the friend of 5, not 4. Because before that it was 4. But now 4 plus 1, that is 5. So we have to find the friends of 5. So friend of 5 is what? 5 only. So 5 plus 2, we write here 7. Now again we did friendship. So here we keep here 1 dot. Now you all, my dear student, tell me here what is this value? Before that it was 8. But due to this dot, 8 and 1 dot. So 8 plus 1, it become 9. What it come? 9. Now tell me 6 minus 9. Is this possible? No sir, that is not possible. So we have to find the friend of 9, not 8. I again explaining. Here before that its value is 8. But due to this dot, now it's 9. So friend of 9 is what? 1. So now we add here 6 plus 1, 7. Okay. Now again we put here one dot because we did friendship. Now tell me, this is not 4. 4 plus 1 dot. So it come 5. Now 5 minus 5. If you subtract the same number, then what happen? Answer will be 0. Understand, my dear student? Yeah, we have to practice such type of questions. Now we see one more question. So now here 4 minus 7. Is this possible? No sir, this is not possible. So we have to find the friend of 7. So now tell me, who is the friend of 7? 3. Yes. So friend of 7 is what? 3. So in 3 what we have to do? Here we have to add. So no need to write here write add 3. Simple. 4 plus 3. Keep in mind 4 plus 3, that is 7. So here what we write? 7. Now if we did friendship, so here what we have to do? Put one dot. Now 8 and 1 dot. So it comes 9. So now tell me 6 minus 9. Is this possible? No sir. Again this is not possible. So we have to find the friend of 9. Now tell me, who is the friend of 9? 1. Who is the friend of 9? 1. So here we add 6 plus 1. 6 plus 1? Very easy. 6 plus 1, 7 sir. So we write here 7. And again we put here dot. Now tell me, this is 4 or 5? Yes, this is not 4, this is 5. Why this is 5? Because we keep here one dot. And the value of dot is what? 1. So now 4 plus 1, 5. Now 6 minus 5. Is this possible? Yes, this is possible because 6 is greater number. We can subtract a smaller number from greater number. So 6 minus 5, what we get? Yes, tell me, 6 minus 5, we get 1. So in this way we have to find the answer. So what we see in this method, sir? In our school method, we are learning, we have to take carry, we have to do subtraction. And I know it's create a lots of problem. So now we are doing this dot method. And this method also help when we are doing the division. Because in division, while doing the division, what we are doing? We are also doing the subtraction. So such type of method will help there also. So please practice this, okay? So hope all you have to get this book level 1. So now we are in the page number 4. Now today we have to do which page? Everyone take out the page number 4. Okay? So there are the few questions already here friends mentioned there. So we have to keep practice like this. And there are the few questions, not too much. So today we have to practice this one. Okay? All questions right in there. Okay? The student who not get the book till now, by this Sunday I will provide the book to all of you. Okay? So we have to practice from this book. Now we are going to learn 7 table practice. Okay? So every student tell me, 7 times 1 is 7. Yes. 7 times 2 is 14. 7 times 3, 21. 7 times 4, 28. 7 times 5, 35. 7 times 6, 42. 7 times 7, 49. 7 times 8, 56. 7 times 9, 63. And 7 times 10, 70. So in the last of that page, we have to write the 7 table. So we have to complete here. Okay? Like that. It's very easy now. Yes. So we have to practice that table. Okay? So every day we have to practice one table. So last class we practiced the table of 6. Today we are practicing the table of 7. So from tomorrow, means from day 3, we start doing the multiplication. Because the lots of time taken while doing the multiplication. So we have lots of multiplication concept. One by one, I will teach you and we will learn. Okay? So please keep on and practicing. So what is the today homework? So today homework in book page number 4. Okay? So please write down and practice. Okay? And once you practice, please write in comment, sir, I done with today class. And in group, you have to write, sir, I complete my worksheet. Okay? So now we meet in the next class, that is multiplication. Okay, so please take care, and if you like this video, if you have any friends, any relative, any cousins, kindly share with, okay, and enjoy this video. Okay, so now we meeting the next class. Bye.